thing about convenience though is they have two prices here. This one's tax free and this one is with tax. Always look at the bigger price. I have a theory why everything here in Tokyo looks a little bit prettier. Maybe it's because of the way the sun hits this country. Look, it's just 12 p.m., but look at the direction of the shadows. It looks like it's 3 p.m. already, or like almost golden hour. I don't know if it's in the season or the time of the year. Also, the days are way shorter. In October, siguro around 5 p.m. it's already getting dark, and like 4 is like almost looks like 6 p.m. already. So that's one thing to consider if you're trying to start your day late but you want to like get some sunlight. Consider going out a little bit earlier because again, it's just 12 p.m., but the sun's direction already looks like 3 or like 4 p.m. Case in point, I was just standing in this corner for like 15 minutes and I've already seen like a lot of things to photograph, so Chocolate mint.
Okay? Okay?
Yep. Arigato. Arigatou gozaimasu.
はい。
鳩山喜一郎の今のレイトでございます。連日連夜大きなマイクで失礼をいたします。
G is like the trendier brother or sister of Uniqlo, because this hoodies. I keep on trying to avoid salespeople who's been offering me to get a shopping bag, because I know that this is going to happen. Tapos, insult. Sarap. Very simple flavors. Chicken meatballs. Okay lang. Tigil ako ng tigil sa paglakad kasi nag-post ako sa What's Your Ulam pare. Sabi ko overrated sa Ichiran. Tapos kinukuyog nila ako like, never mind.
Nobody. Yeah.
No, I'm kidding.
You're kidding. Stop denying it.
Yeah, I'm just looking actually for some gifts for
Gifts?
friends back home. Yeah.
One can use the total only in 8,000. In 8,000. Separate. これも This is inside is 6 piece.
Oh, that's too big for my
Yeah.
luggage. How much for just one?
Almost 800.
Oh, okay. I think I'll just get the eggs.
Travel?
Yeah, just travel, right?
Actually, I was living Manila.
Oh yeah.
Manila to Laguna.
To Laguna?
Yeah.
Oh.
Tenga is famous in Philippines.
I'm not sure, but I see it a lot on TikTok.